Okay, so for this last video of the year, I'm going to do a short little workshop tour. This is going to be fairly high level. I'm not going to go super into depth, but it'll give you an idea of my space and basically where I'm able to create these projects. So this by far isn't my dream shop, but it's what I've got, and I'm trying to make best use of it. So yeah, let's have a look. So it's a single car garage. So I've got the layout set up. So I've got basically all the power tools and benchtop tools and whatnot on this wall here, with the battery and hand tools kind of on the back wall. And then a large workbench that I can move around when I need to. With space at a premium, I try to organize and store everything as best I can along the wall and then up close to the ceiling. Okay, so I've got this place set up in a couple different zones. Near the garage door, I've got the welding machine, vacuum mounted to the wall, and drill press. So this kind of acts like the metalworking area, along with the garlic to keep the vampires away. Beside that, I've got chop saw, power tools sort of hanging on the wall, and then the sander and bandsaw beside there. So between the two cabinets, I've got the table saw that I can pull out when I need to. So I'm not going to open these doors up because they're terribly disorganized. In here though, actually is not too bad. So I've got sort of a few quick access tools. I've got a drawer full of screws, sanding prep, painting, and then a bunch of miscellaneous shit. Yeah, this will probably be the next area where I'm going to tackle just to organize. It's been kind of a pain in the butt and needs some sorting. And along the back wall of the shop, I've got more storage, hand tools, and then a bunch of other stuff stored below. Lastly, under the desk, I've got sort of a basket that I've got on some rails that I can basically push all the way through. And then another kind of easy access area for some readily accessible tools. Drill press. Chop saw, sanding station, bandsaw. Alright, if you've stuck around this far, I just want to thank you for taking the time to check out my videos. Not everyone makes it to the end, so I sincerely thank you for watching. Making these videos takes a lot of effort, so I'm glad someone else is able to enjoy them as much as I enjoy making them. I'm grateful to have the opportunity to create these projects and share them online. I started this channel back in 2017 and have been rather casual in posting on a regular basis, but this past October I dusted off my camera and decided to get back to work. So I'm really looking forward to what this coming year has in store, building new projects and sharing them here. My workshop seems to be ever evolving, so it'll be interesting to see how this place changes over the course of a year. Alright, that wraps it up for now. Happy New Year, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.